As the sun disappeared behind the skyscrapers, Hong Kong transformed into a city of light. From the deck of our cruise, Victoria Harbour unfolded before us, a dazzling panorama of illuminated towers, reflections dancing on the water, and the unmistakable energy of one of the world's most iconic skylines. This is Hong Kong after dark. As our cruise glides across Victoria Harbour, it is easy to be captivated by the glittering skyline. Yet these waters tell a story far older than the skyscrapers that now define Hong Kong. For more than a century, Victoria Harbour has been the heart of the city. It welcomed traders, sailors, immigrants, and dreamers from around the world, helping transform Hong Kong from a small coastal settlement into one of the world's great international cities. Long before the modern skyline appeared, the harbor was filled with fishing boats, traditional junks, and floating communities that called these waters home. Later, generations of passengers crossed the harbor aboard the iconic Star Ferry, while aircraft descending into Kai Tak Airport performed one of aviation's most famous approaches overhead. Our cruise glided slowly through the harbor, offering a perspective that generations of travelers have admired. Reflections of skyscrapers shimmered on the water, constantly changing with each passing wave. Victoria Harbour is more than a waterway. It is the heart of Hong Kong. Here, history and modernity coexist. Traditional boats share the same waters as luxury yachts, while historic waterfronts stand beside some of the world's most recognizable skyscrapers. The famous light show is called the Symphony of Lights, and it begins every evening at 8 p.m. As we cruise through Victoria Harbour, the skyline unfolds like an open-air gallery of modern architecture. Towering above the waterfront is the International Finance Center, a symbol of Hong Kong's status as one of the world's leading financial centers. Nearby, the Bank of China Tower catches the eye with its striking geometric design, its illuminated lines piercing the night sky. Across the harbor stands the International Commerce Center, the tallest building in Hong Kong, rising almost 500 meters above the city below. The colorful lights of the center and the distinctive silhouette of Central Plaza add even more character to the skyline. Along the waterfront, the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center appears to float above the harbor, its elegant roofline reflecting on the water. Together, these landmarks create one of the most recognizable skylines on Earth, a breathtaking display of architecture, innovation, and the enduring spirit of Hong Kong.
下一站将返回起点站尖沙咀. Your attention please, this vessel...
As the night deepened, the city seemed to shine even brighter. The lights were not merely decorations, but expressions of Hong Kong's energy, ambition, and resilience. Watching the skyline from the harbor, it became clear why this view has captivated visitors from around the world. For a few quiet moments, surrounded by water and light, the pace of the city seemed to slow. The harbor offered a chance to reflect, not only on Hong Kong itself, but on the journeys that bring us to places like this. Long after the cruise ended, the memory of Victoria Harbour's dazzling nightscape remained, a reminder of one of Asia's most remarkable urban experiences. Today, the harbor remains the soul of Hong Kong. The buildings may have changed, and the shoreline may have moved, but Victoria Harbour continues to connect the city's past, present, and future. As the lights shimmer across the water, they reflect not only a magnificent skyline, but also the remarkable story of Hong Kong itself.